Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Dephilz tutorial. I'm OGUNWO OLUGBENGA by name. So today I want to be teaching us on how you can design a VTU website. What do I mean VTU website? Is this a platform or a portal where you can be selling out recharge cards, you can sell out data, airtime top up. As you can see, this is affordable data plans, MTN, Glo, Airtel and other services. So if I just scroll up, you can see that this is a very nice script, very clean and easy to see. You can see that this is a web and mobile platform where you can buy internet data bundle, VTU, airtime, pay electricity, TV subscriptions. And on this platform, for your website to start delivering services like airtime, data, TV cable subscription and stuff like that, you will have to connect your website to a particular API. You connect to a particular API. So the API provider will be selling 1 gig of data for you. Let's say for MTN now, you can sell it for a rate of 217 naira, and you'll be selling a rate of 290, 18 naira or 300 naira on your website. You know that normally MTN offer 1 gig of data at a rate of 300. So the API will be giving you at a very lesser price. You connect to a website and you sell and you make your own good figures. So are you with me now? So I'll be teaching us how you can design this kind of website, where you can offer services like MTN, Glo, Airtel to people, DSTV, GoTV, StarTime and other. You can even convert airtime to cash. Yes, on this site. So I designed this for a client, and I want to show us to how you can do it at your own side at a very easy step by step. Are you with me now? So let's get into let's dive into let's see how the registration page looks like. Registration page. So let me click on register. So you can just put your name randomly, phone number, email. Let me just put my email, click on continue. So to ask for your state, I'll just pick one randomly. Let me pick Google State. Password, you can just put a password randomly. Confirm password. Pin. This pin is the one I'll be using to place your withdrawal. Please use a pin that you remember. Put a pin you can remember, and referral. Even if you're referred by someone, you can put it there and you click on register. I already have an account with them, so I'll just click on login. I already have an account. I'll just put in my password. I want to show us how the user dashboard look like, so that you can see how it is. Login successful. So it's going to take me to the user dashboard. I will also show us on our dashboard. Let me log into the admin dashboard. Alright, but let me quickly go to the admin dashboard so that you can see how the admin dashboard looks like. Okay, let me go to the admin dashboard, and we'll go back to our user dashboard again. This is the admin dashboard. So this thing is showing our wallet user, agent, wallet, vendor. So agents can even register on your website. You can have agents that sell data for you. So the vendor too, you can see the wallet of the vendor, referral, and many more. From the left hand side, you will see this is our dashboard. This is the dashboard that is showing here. Our system users. Let me click on system user. So this is the admin system user. So you can add another admin here. Maybe you want like 2-3 people to be on this website. You can add another one. You can add one as super admin. You can add one as moderator. You can add them here. So subscribers, people that have registered on the website, like you can see that this is my name. I tried to register the other time, and it's asking me. You can see that it's showing that let me just try to. If I scroll up and move to this side, let me just move to this side now. It's showing, can you see, pending email verification. So I've never verified the email, so I just tried to register, but I've not verified the email. So let me quickly verify so that we can use it to log in at the back end. So let me just verify this. Okay, pending verification. Let me just click on active. You can see that you can even block users. You can block user. Maybe the user is doing something wrong on the website. You can block the user away. You can say blocked. You can block them. You can put their accounts on pending and many more like that. So that's about subscriber. Credit user, maybe maybe you want to set on your website that anybody that register you will be collecting maybe a bonus or something. Once they register with you, you can credit them, you can debit them from their account, from their wallet. So you can, any amount of your choice, you can debit them from there. Just put their email, the user email, put it here. So services you render, you can see airtime discounts, data plan, cable TV, electricity bill, exam pin, which is WAEC and NECO. You can generate pin from your website, recharge card, alpha top up, recharge card pin, all those coupons, data pin, all those like data pin, recharge card printing. You can offer it on your website. Transactions. So this one will be showing the transaction people your registers, people that register your website to show you the transaction that they've been doing on your website. You'll be showing you the transactions that they have been doing on your website. They have done on your website. So it will be showing here. So the other one is sales analysis. This will show the analysis of all the sales that have been going on your website, either on cable TV, the profit you are making as the owner of the portal. It's going to be showing you the progress here. You want to send emails to all your people that register your website. You can send them emails, so it's automatically delivered to their inbox. Notification. You want to allow notification to pop up on your website. So welcome back. You can see it's going to be showing notification. So this API, This API, you can see that you can see different kind of alphabets and numbers here. This API is also will be copying from your API provider and you put it here, so it will automatically reflect on your dashboard that okay, you want to be offering the services on your website here. So this is Monify. Monify is a platform where you can use to collect payments. Maybe you want to buy data, so they use Monify to fund their wallet. Monify is a platform where you can automatically generate a virtual account number. So each user will have his own personal generated account number that they can use to fund their wallet. Are you with me now? So once they use the account number to transfer to their account, the money will drop into their wallet on your website. Paystack is a platform. Let me just click on so that you can see how it looks like. So Paystack is a platform they are going to give you. Once you register on Paystack, they can use their debit card to purchase data or any services from your website. So that is how it looks like. Site settings. So site settings, you want to change your name, your website URL, documentation. So your bank name, your bank account number, your bank account number, you can put it there. On electricity charges, how much you want to charge them per transaction. On airtime, on airtime purchase, what is the maximum? You can change it, like they can put it like 100,000 airtime. So you can make it as any amount you want. Agent, how much you want to charge agents for registering with you? 1,000 naira. Vendor, 2,000 naira. Wallet to wallet transfer, how much you want to charge? You want to transfer from one wallet to another. So you can say this is a very great script. This is a very great script, and this is how the admin dashboard looks like. Now let us go back to our user dashboard. Let me go back to login now, and let me go back to our user dashboard. Let me go back to our user dashboard. So let me just click on login. Once maybe it's working now. Let me see, maybe it's working now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me retry. Okay, login successful. Yes, very good. You can see this is the user dashboard. People that are registering your website, this is what they will be. This is what will be showing them. You can see that they can buy airtime, they can buy data, cable TV, electricity, e-pin, transaction, and rest of it. Are you seeing this now? Let us know how to buy airtime. Click on airtime. So can you see? I should select network. Select network here. Oh, so you can see I can choose MTN. Let me choose MTN. Select type VTU. Put the phone number there. Okay. It's telling me that I choose. This is Glo. It's telling me that you can see that it's telling me that this number is Glo, and I'm choosing MTN. So I should click on Glo now. So you can see that good. Amount, let's say I'm buy 300 naira. and want to pay. So there's no discount. So if you click on buy airtime, it's going to drop to the person's dashboard directly. So on a simple form, this is how this website works. So you can sell any of your services in a very easy step. So let me teach us on how we can do the installation of this website very fast. So for you to start the installation of this kind of website, you need to have a domain and a hosting. So the domain name is a name that will carry the user address of your website, and the hosting is the server you're going to upload the site on, so that you'll be live online, so people can access it online. So I'm using a particular hosting, and I'm going to drop the link in the description below in case you want to buy. So I'm using this hosting, which is TRUEHOST. It's a very nice hosting company, and it's very good and very their customer service is very, very great. I use them a lot, so you can also try them out. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. You can also try them out. So let us try to upload this. I will be using I'm using a subdomain. Let's see how it's going to look like. So I already registered with them, so I want to go to my file manager. Now. Alright, so I'll be going to my file manager here. I'll scroll down. I'll click on file manager. Okay, so I'll be using a subdomain I created this website. Okay, I'll be using this subdomain. Now let me now upload the file on this website. I'll just click on upload. So I'll select file. So let me just look for it. I think I created a folder for it. Sorry, it's going to take some seconds. Alright, so this is it, working VTU. Let me open this. So I will click on, you are going to pick up this zip file. You would click on the zip file here and click on open. So it's going to load the zip file. So let's wait. As it is uploading our zip file, we need to create a database for this before it can work. We need to create a database. So let me now go back to my, so from here, from your cPanel, you come back here, type database. So let's create a database for it as it is uploading. Let's create a database for it. So let me just call this one, let me call it Dan VTU. That's the name of our database. So once you create a database user, I'm going to call it. So you can give it your own name. I'm just giving it the same name so that it'll be very easy for me. So now click on password generate. So please don't type this, just copy immediately, copy everything. I click on I have copied, use password, and click on create user. So let us put our password in our notepad before we come and copy our user. Alright, put my notepad because I'm going to need them later. So this one, so you just have to copy user and the database together, copy it, put them in your notepad. Alright, so just click on all privileges. Scroll down, make sure that everything here is clicked, or else the site is not going to work. Click on all privileges and you click on next step. So good, we have created our database. The next thing for us is to upload our SQL file. Let's go back to our cPanel. So we want to just search for php. So it's going to load. Let's wait for it to load. Search for php. So php, we need to upload our SQL file. Alright, it's going to redirect us to where we're going to upload our SQL file. So it's going to show us the database username and the password created at that time. So that's where we're going to upload our SQL file. Just follow my step one after the other. And if you are getting this script from me, just message me in this link below. I'll show you how to get it. I'll show you how to get it. So just follow the video step by step. So this is it now. Dan VTU. We create the other type. You can see it. So let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Good. Dan VTU here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, so wait for it to load. It's going to show you a plain page like this. Now click on imports. Click on imports. Now click on choose file. Click on choose file. So this is what I'm picking. I will drop it here. It has show.sql file. Scroll down and click on go. Click on go. It's going to go to our, it's going to import everything here for us. It's going to import our database. You can see import has successfully finished, 98 queries executed, and without no errors. There's no errors here. You can see working perfectly, as you can see now. So we have our files ready. So let me click on it. Click on it. It's going to show everything here. Good. It's going to show everything, as you can see. So but the first thing is you are getting this script from me. So just click on system user. Click on system user. So you can try to change the username and password. This is a username password. Username and password. But you can try to change it and give it. You can call it anything you like. So I'm giving this one a simple one. Just giving it number 13456. So I want to make this one my password. Good. I can call this one to, I can just call it manager. The username can be manager, as you can see. So I change it so that I can, because that's the password and username that came with the script. You can change it to the one that will be very easy for you. You can see why I change my own. So good. Now let's see maybe what we are uploading as. Okay, it remains a little bit and it's still uploading. So we have created our database and we have uploaded our SQL. So we are waiting for our file to upload on the server, so that we can connect our username and password together on the file we uploaded. So let's wait as it's finished uploading. Alright, we are going to wait for this thing. No, it is in blue. Yes, you have to wait for it to show green. Once it shows 100%, you have to wait for it to show green. So you can now click on go back to home. You can now go back to home. You can now go back to home. Very good. So we have to extract this file. You can just leave this one, right? This is the file we uploaded, .zip, api.zip. So just extract it. Extract. So we're extracting it on our folder path that we created, or subdomain we created. Just click on extract file. So I can set this up for you too, in case maybe you don't have time or you are busy. I can set it up for you. Click on close. So it has been extracted. You can delete the zip file you uploaded the other time. Since you have already extracted it, delete this one. Skip from trash. Very good. So I've extracted it on our subdomain. Are you seeing it now? So it is there already. So all you just have to do is that we have to look for our core. Look for core. Click on this core. Click on model and edit this. This is where we are going to upload our database. I'm going to put our database username, database name and password. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see here, we have DB, which is database name. We have username and the password. You don't touch this hosting. This local host, you leave it. We're going to change this one, and this one. So how we're going to do it, just scroll down. So let's click on this. So our user is what? Our database user, you copy it. Please don't type, you have to copy and paste. This is our user. You paste database password, and this is our database password. You copy it, copy database password. Just double click on this or you just highlight it. Please don't remove the signs. You can see the, I think this is apostrophe or something. Don't remove it. So just click on this, highlight it, or you double click and what you paste. As you can see, what next again? Database name. These are database name. Just click on database here, copy it and paste. You are good to go now. You are good to go now. So let's just click on save changes. Save changes. So now you need to open our website to see how it works, how it is working. So our URL is vtu.com.com. So I just use this part to So I can see, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this. Sorry. Wait, I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't copy wrong thing here. Okay, I copy this and I paste it on my URL. Let's see if it's going to work. And boom, it works. It works. It was. You can see that it works now. So the next thing we need to customize this. Let's assume that this thing is for your data or something like that. Maybe any name. We're going to change. This thing is still showing Dan VTU. We're going to change the name. And in the home page, what else are we going to change in the home page? Let's check the footer. The footer size is still showing Dan here too. We're going to change it. Sorry for this. Remove this sign that it is showing. Alright, good. So we are going to let's change this. Let's go back to our file manager. Let's go back to our file manager. I think it's under. But let me inspect. Let me see. Let us inspect and see where it is. Let's inspect. Alright, I want to see where it is on the okay. Okay. Alright. So let me go back to my file manager. Let's check one after the other. Let me click on. Let me check the last one. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, I think it is it. Content name. Let us change it to. Let's change it to VTU portal. Let's just give it a name that anybody can use. VTU portal. Give it VTU portal. So. Another thing here, let's check. You have to be very careful here so that you don't change the wrong thing. Okay, the title. Let me remove the title. VTU portal. VTU portal. So as you can see that I'm changing one after the other. So if you don't know about this, you can just like follow my step. I change the title, I change the name here. The content, I change the name. So let us scroll down to our footer. Let me scroll down to our footer. So we change from our footer to. We don't want anything done. Stop there. So let's change this one to VTU portal, and we're going to save and see maybe it's going to be effective. VTU portal. VTU portal. Okay, I've changed that too. Is there another thing we need to change? So VTU portal, let me change that. VTU portal. Yeah, developed by this person put his number, so we're going to change it. I'm going to put our number. I'm going to put our number 234 90 59 427612. So that's my number. Alright, so I think I've done the editing, so you can just try to manipulate things. So if we click on save changes and let's see, maybe it's going to work on our, maybe what we changed, maybe we changed the right file. Let's it's still saving up. Alright, so let me try to check. If you refresh this, it's supposed to change the name. Let me just try to, let's scroll down and see. Let's check our footer first. Maybe we changed the right thing or wrong thing. But this is not the fact that we changed. So this is how you can change it. I just try to explain to us so that you can see how you can change, how we can change it, So that's how we can change this. Alright, let us check the index1.php. Let me click on that. Let's edit this. Let's maybe this one. Alright, so the content property, let us change this one to, okay, VTU portal. VTU portal. Let's change this one to VTU portal. And another one, let's see, let's scroll down. Okay, let me check the top. Our title, yeah, very important. Change the title. Please put your brand name. I'm only doing this for, just follow my step. On the title I change the VTU portal, you can leave the write-up, or you can put your own write-up. Make sure you don't touch all those tags. Leave those tags as it is. Okay. Let me just put my own name there. Dephilz tutorial. Dephilz tutorial. Alright, you can just Dephilz tech. Let me just put Dephilz tech here. Dephilz tech. So let me check. Your eyes must be very sharp. Your eyes must be sharp when doing all these things. So let me check the footer again. Let me check the footer. Sorry if it's taking much time. I want us to learn this thing so that once you know it, you know it. That's just it. So let me scroll down and move up the footer. Let's check the footer. This Dan VTU, remove it. You can just, let me just put Dephilz tutorial. Dephilz tutorial. And Dan Global Tech. Let's see, where is Dan Global Tech? Let me scroll down. Let me check the developed by Dan Technology. Okay. Dephilz tutorial. Alright, let me just save it and see. Maybe it will work on this one because they created like 3 index PHP files, so I don't know why it is 3. It's supposed to be 1. So we have tested, we have checked this, we have checked this. Let's check this one too. Let's edit this one too. Let's edit this. Okay, let me scroll up. Let me call this VTU portal. Let me give it a capital letter. VTU portal. Okay, I think this is the right one. Let me scroll up. I think this is the right one. We are pleased to have you on our platform. Let's see, maybe the test relates with this. Okay. We offer you blah blah blah. Okay. Well, let me refresh this first. I think I've changed like 2 or 3 now. Supposed to have reflected. Your file is the most available. Alright, let us edit this file, this one. Let's edit this file, this index.php file. Let us edit this. Let's edit this one. So from here, let's change the title to VTU portal. Let's change this content to VTU portal 2. VTU portal. Okay. Content VTU portal. Anywhere you see the name of other brand, just change it to your own. I'm changing mine to what I can use generally. Okay, alright, so scroll down, let me check. Okay, let's go to our footer. Let's see. I'm only highlighting so that this thing can move very fast. But instead you start scrolling, it's going to take much of our time. Alright, so the footer developed by copyright than VTU, change it to VTU portal. Please, you have to do this very carefully. VTU portal. Dephilz tutorial. Dephilz tutorials. Alright, so let me change this one. I'll put my number there, 234-9059-427612 as my number. So you change it. What else? I think we have changed the footer. Let's save and see. Maybe we edited the right file because we have like 3 there. So we change the right stuff on the home page. Very good, very good. You can see, yes, Dephilz tutorial VTU portal developed by me. Good. So this one is the logo. You are going to change it, the logo from the file picture, from the file. You can remove that. So we have changed this. So now, how do we link our API to the website? How do you link our API to the website? So I want to use this API provider, which is called Bytes. I already have an account with them, Bytes Bridge. They also offer their VTU services, but they also give out their APIs. So I already have an account with them. So let me just click on them. This is it. So let me click on login. So I'll click on login. So you can see that I already have an account with them, and just click on login. So you can see how much they offer. Okay, I think I changed the password yesterday. Change the password yesterday. What did I use for the password? Okay, very good. All right, you can see that I have money here. You can see now. Let me now click on. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Update password. Let me show you something so that you can see developers API. Let me click on developers. You can see here. Look at something. Let me look for MTN. MTN SME. MTN. I want to look for MTN 1 gig. Look at this. MTN 1 gig for a rate of 219 naira for 1 gig. Because I want to use the API, they are giving me for 219 naira to use this. And you see something. So this is my API URL, API document. So if you go to API documentation page, so this is how you're going to link it together with your site. So let this load. Let this load. So let's go back to our website. This is our website. So let me open admin dashboard. From the admin here, don't forget we use our username for our admin. The other time it was manager, and I choose a very simple password for it. So click on login. Good. You can see this is our admin from your PHP admin. This is our admin and password. You can see. So we click on dashboard. So it's going to open our dashboard for us. So how do you now link your API? So if I should link that new API, it's going to change everything here. So let's see how it's going to work. Click on API settings. If we click on API settings, it's going to load. So we're going to change our cable API key. cable API key. So this is our API key. My API key. Let me go back. This is my API key here. But before you can get it from them, you have to message them, and they will have to see your website first before they can give you API key. So I put it here. I put it here. So cable API key. Okay, cable TV subscription verification URL. Cable TV IUC. Cable TV IUC. So let's go back to our documentation page. Cable TV IUC. That's TV is what? TV is cable TV IUC. This cable TV IUC. So just afterwards, copy it. Copy the URL part. So come back here, paste it. Okay, I think it has already given us a name. So that means this is the API provider for this site. You can just sign up with them and ask for the API, and you're going to use their API. You can use the API cable for all these things. Are you saying this now? So you can, like top up me, you can use the one for top up meet or N3T. So these are these are sites that offer API data. You can input everything there. So for cable URL, you can choose this, so you can put the API key. Are you seeing it now? So the reason why it's not going to work with the API I'm using is because they already include all the name of API provider you can use. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it now? So I have to select. Let's say I'm using the API provider for this one. You can just pick it, and this also applies for everything here. Are you with me now? Are you with me? So that is how this works. So you just let's assume that you are using the one for top up mates. Are you with me now? So you're going to input the API key here, not this one. You put the API key here. Are you with me? So same thing applies for cable TV, electricity, exam API, exam checker, recharge card, data pin, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. So once you submitted, on your dashboard is going to show the money, and what you're going to do from there is that you're going to come back to your website on the API provider site. On this side, you're going to fund your wallet. You can see that my wallet, I've funded my wallet already. Fund your wallet, so that by the time they'll be buying on your website here, it will automatically deliver to them. Are you with me now? So that is how it works. So if you want this script, you can check the description below for you to get it. Thank you so much.